information on an officer-involved shooting Wednesday. The suspect, Francisco Monge, has been in criminal court before. He was in jail for over a year before pleading to 2 counts of possessing explosives. 17's Connor Dorr joins us now with more.
Documents show that in criminal court, Monge was 6 times in criminal court since 2010. Most recently, in July of 2021, he was charged with 32 felony counts, but pled no contest to only 2. Monge was arrested 4 years ago at his East Bakersfield home when he was found with 31 Molotov cocktails he said were for home defense, according to the district attorney's office. He was charged with 32 felony counts of possession of destructive device and 1 felony count of possession of arson device. The case turned on Monge's mental health, including the need for treatment upon release. After a year and a half, he pleaded no contest and sentenced to time served and 2 years of probation. 30 counts dropped in plea deal. His probation had specific mental health terms, including a requirement to take all psychiatric medications prescribed and to be searched at any time to make sure he is following probation laws. Other previous cases included defrauding, vandalism, trespassing, 2 assaults with a deadly weapon, and battery, of which 1 was dismissed, and the rest he pleaded no contest. The officer-involved shooting on July 3rd began with a traffic stop. He fled, had a slingshot weapon. One of the officers fired 2 shots from their gun. Monge was not shot by a bullet, but taken to the hospital as a precautionary measure, according to BPD. Police are calling his weapon a Balearic-style slingshot, a weapon ancient humans used to sling rocks for hunting. This sling can throw rocks up to 100 miles per hour if properly used. We also don't know what Monge was allegedly slinging. Police said he slung objects at the officers. Monge was still serving his probation at the time of this incident, and his hearing for probation violation is set on July 9th. We sent in a request to interview Monge at Lerdo Jail, where he is currently being held. BPD said they will be releasing the officer's name next week. There is still a list of unanswered questions for BPD, like why did he shoot? Was anyone else injured? What was the reason for the traffic stop? Did these officers have a previous shooting? And were less than lethal measures used? This is a developing story. You can follow this story at kget.com. Connor Dorr, 17 News.